Welcome to Lodge 4 Sweet River. We're going to give you a tour of the property. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and cut my coconut to drink.